DJ ARKULEN. Blue light rising, sand line glows. One clean kick lands, then the bass tide flows. Outdoor rhythm, warm and low, bassline moving with a summer glow. Kick gets dry, tone stays wide, speaker vibe moves with the tide. Let the sound lift, let the pressure ride. No end motion running side to side, no copy hook, no borrowed line. I'm original rhythm under sunlight shine. Hold the way, keep it clear, bass drive coming, drawing near. Every hit sharp, every tone bright, beat sound moving through the light. Beach bass, warm and strong.
Low wave push all along.
Clean kick, wide sensation.
Outdoor sound,
Rotation.
it bass.
Warm,
Low,
drive. Every layer finds a space. Bass keeps flowing with steady grace. No crowd noise, no live air. Only rhythm built with care. Pressurizes, sound stays clean. Summer bass in the scene.
pull it back, let it breathe. Soft vibration underneath. Blue tone close, bassline near. Speaker motion sharp and clear.
But the bass is smooth and low.
Portable rhythm starts to show.
Clean vibration, bright sensation.
Each sound energy.
In rotation.
One last wave, one last rise. Let the low end open wide. Kick gets stronger. Bass stays pure. Outdoor drive, locked and sure.
Bass tide.
Beat control
Warm, low rhythm.
starts to roll.
Speaker motion. Sound creation.
Beach bass drive.
In rotation.